Hello everyone, thank you for coming back, or welcome if you're here for the first time. Today I have another sewing tutorial for you, and we'll be sewing little puffy square coasters. They make perfect gifts for birthdays, for Valentine's Day that's coming up, or Mother's Day, or anytime you want to make one for someone, or you can make one for yourself. They're super cute. They're have a little more frou-frou than regular coasters. So if you want to learn how to make one of these, just keep watching. You can skip, go back, pause, do whatever you need to while you're watching to learn how to make it. But without further ado, let's get to sewing. As always, I first get my notebook out and I write down and sketch out what I'm going to sew. And this time it's going to be the puffy coaster. And I'm cutting fabric 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches. I need two pieces of fabric for the top and the bottom, and they'll both be 6.5 inches. And I have this square ruler that's 6.5 by 6.5 to make it easier. Or you can, measure it out if you don't have a ruler like this. Then you will need two pieces of batting. I'm using cotton batting, and I just make sure that I have enough right there for my front and back. I do, and I just cut out same size, 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches. Now I'm going to make my little sandwich. I'm going to have the batting on the bottom, and then I'm going to put one of the outside pieces face up, and then an outside piece face down, and the other batting on the bottom. So two battings on the bottom, and then the outside pieces pretty side to pretty side on top. And I'm just going to sew all around, leaving a little gap in the middle to turn it right side out. And as you can see, I'm doing rounded corners, not the 90-degree corners while I'm sewing. You can choose to do the 90-degree angles or curve them, whichever. I prefer the curved. After it's sewn, what you want to do is just cut the corners and then also any other excess fabric you may have. So I did a 1/4 of an inch inseam and just cut off some of the extra stuff. And then I turn it right side out with these little separate things I have. It makes it a lot easier. Also, don't forget to poke your corners out when you are turning it right side out. The next step is marking off the center square, and I have a 1.5 inch ruler and I just make lines all around. So an 1.5 inch edge, and then the inside square, we're going to sew it up. I used heat erasable ink to mark out those lines on the top, that little square, so after I'm done sewing, I just put an iron to it to erase it. Then I cut off any extra thread that I may have hanging around so it's all nice. And now it's time to stuff the edge. And I also do it with these little scepter thingies, makes it so much easier to get in the corners up on the top. and I'm just using regular fiber polyfill. You can use the cotton batting, like the stuffing, cotton stuffing, whichever you prefer. But I just stuff all the edges and make it as puffy and stuffed as you'd like, or as little. And then at the ends, it's easier to use your fingers when you're getting closer to that section where it's opened. After you're done stuffing, to close it up, you can either sew it up with your sewing machine, but I prefer to do a ladder stitch, and it doesn't take long, maybe like about 5 minutes or less to do that little closing section. And I think the hand sewn ladder stitch makes it a much nicer finish than the sewing machine one does. I have one here that I made before that I sewn up with a sewing machine, and that's how it looks. It does leave a little edge right there, but it is faster and easier to do it like that, but I still prefer to do it by hand. Now your coaster's complete and ready to use. Make as many as you'd like and give them to a friend or use them for yourself. Perfect for any cup. And I did just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video and learning with me. I hope it was helpful for you. Let me know down in the comments below if you try making one. And I really hope to see you for my next tutorial. You have a great day, and bye bye.